Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. This will be quick and no time wasting. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell. I just wanna make a video showing you how to make a bootable flash drive that you will be used to install your operating system. Install your operating system in any Windows PC. Without wasting time, let's get started. So this is my PC. Then I will just head over to the screen, um close my work. As you can see here, I am using this software here. This is Rufus 3.17. This is the latest version of it. Rufus 3.17. This is the latest version. You can go ahead, link will be in my description below, that showing you the place where you will go to download the latest version of Rufus. Just go ahead and launch the application here. You can right click the application, then you just select run as administrator. You can right click on the software and click run as administrator. Then you are good to go. Then you can just hit here, yes. Then the software will launch. Here we go. This is the software. Yeah, you can when you launch your application here, this is the Rufus application here. As you can see over here, you can see here device. Then from here you can just click the drop down here. As you can see, I have no flash drive inserted on my PC. Then I will just go ahead and insert my PC. Yeah, this is my flash drive here. I see this is 32 gig flash drive. If you are installing Windows, you are advised to use 8 gig. The minimum here is 8 gig. You are advised to use 8 gig. If you are making a bootable flash drive of an operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, even the latest Windows, the latest operating system, which is Windows 11, you are advised to use 8 gig. Yeah, then it's good. You can use 8 gig because it required a free space. It required much giga to make your flash drive bootable. As you can see, mine is 32 gig flash drive. Then I can go ahead and insert my flash drive in my PC here. Yeah, then as you can see, when you click the drop down here, then my flash drive has displayed. As you can see, 33 gig here, and this shows that my flash drive is inserted. So yeah, you can head over to boot selection and you can click the drop down here. This first option here, non-bootable, you can use this option to make a bootable flash drive unbootable. Any flash drive you use to make your operating system, that flash drive, even after formatting, even after you are through formatting that flash drive, it is still bootable. So you can go ahead and use this option here, non-bootable, to make it non-bootable. You can select this here, and then without selecting any software, then you are good to go. Just click the last option here, start. The second option here, free dock, it is an application used to store some files in a flash drive here. But for today's tutorial, we can use the last option here, and disk or iOS image, you can select this one. As you can see it here, disk or iOS image. Then from this second option here where they say select, when you click this second option, select, then you can see a pop-up window where it will ask you to select your operating system. For today's tutorial, I just want to make a bootable flash drive for Windows 10 64-bit. As you can see, I have many of them. I have Windows 10 64-bit and 32-bit iOS. As you can see, this is Windows 10 64-bit. I have 32-bit. I have multiple edition, Windows 10 multiple edition 64 for DVD. Yeah. I can, in just my next video, I can show you how to make make your DVD discs bootable. Okay, then I can select this one. Let me select this one. Windows 10 64-bit and 32-bit here. As you can see it, I have selected this one. I can select this one, then I head over to open. Yeah, I will just select open here. Then yes, I'm good to go. Yes, so the next step here, you need to select this one, partition scheme. Here we are good to go. Select GBT. Yeah, then target system here, it is good here. UEFI, yes, in brackets, non CSM. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, volume label, you can see here, you can type the name here. You can say Windows 10 and Windows 10, yes, Windows 10, Windows 10 32 BT and 64 BT, yes, 32-bit and 64-bit. Then we are good to go. We are just file system here. Yes, we are good to go. Select FAT32 default. Yeah, the second one here, cost cluster size, yes, 60. This is just the meaning of this one. It selects, this is default here. This is default for any 60 32-bit flash drive. It selects 16 kilobytes default, because 16 kilobytes, this is 16 plus 16 can give you 32-bit. If you insert a 8 gig flash drive, then you can see if you insert a 16 gig flash drive, you can see 8 kilobytes. If you insert a 8 gig flash drive here, you can see 4 kilobytes here default. So yeah, we are good to go. You can see the stats. Yeah, you can see the blue highlights here to the stats. Then you can just click start. Then this option will ask you, warning, all data on the device no label 32 gig will be destroyed. To continue, you need to select the OK. It means all the data in the flash drive will be formatted, then they make it bootable for you. Then if you are good, or if you have any data in the flash drive that you need, you are advised to copy them in the computer, then in your PC. Then you can go ahead and click OK. Then as you can see here, formatting, copying file system, it is through formatting. Then okay, you are good to go. Thank you very much, and please, if this video is helpful to you, you can go ahead and click the subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.